Hey everyone, it's Charles here. In recent years, if you wanted to speed up an aging and sluggish PC, the common solutions were to add more RAM or upgrade the processor. However, nowadays, a more effective way to overcome that speed issue is by getting a new storage drive. When it comes to performance, there's no better upgrade than installing an M.2 drive in your system. There is no shortage of excellent M.2 drives out there, but if you're looking for high-end performance and stability when the going gets tough, the CS3150 by PNY is well worth a look. What makes this drive special? Not only does it have a heatsink, but that heatsink is kitted out with two fans to dissipate the heat generated during use. One of the biggest killers of storage drives is heat. While this isn't a problem for most systems, high-end gaming and content creation systems, when pushed to their limits, might hit a point where thermal throttling occurs. That is, a deliberate slowing down of the system to allow it to cool down. Or the heat might cause crashes or premature damage to the drive. The faster the drive, the more waste heat it generates. The CS3150 is a fast drive. It clocks sequential read and write speeds of 11,500 and 8,500 megabytes per second, respectively. It's not as fast or as expensive as the crucial T705, but that drive doesn't have an actively cooled heatsink. If you want to get the best out of this drive, note that you'll need at minimum an Intel Core 13th or 14th Gen or AMD Ryzen 7000 CPU on a compatible motherboard with a free Gen5 M.2 slot. It's important to remember that heat sinks and fans transfer heat away from the drive to the surrounding air. Maintaining adequate airflow throughout the system is crucial to ensuring the drive operates efficiently. Additionally, this device's built-in fans require an available set of 4-pin fan header pins on the motherboard to function properly. This drive is relatively bulky. While it should fit most M.2 slots on PC motherboards, it won't fit into external drive enclosures unless you carefully remove the heatsink using a screwdriver. Although this isn't usually recommended, if you decide to do it, take care when separating the aluminum heatsink from the drive circuit board. You want to avoid damaging any components or accidentally ripping chips off the board. That's it for today's video. Do consider subscribing for all the latest content on gaming, and as always, I'll see you at the next one. Peace out.